So to get something that produces power down to $1 or a few dollars, you have to remove as much magnetic material and copper as you can, because that's the most expensive part of a generator. To prove this point was driven home for me when I was just in Ecuador with another guy who does a lot of great work in this field, Kurt Kornbluth. And I bought a shake flashlight because we were going to take that apart to just kind of use the magnetics to make a Windbelt on the fly. It turned out that this shake flashlight actually had, it was made in China and it was a knockoff. It used a piece of lead instead of a magnet in the flashlight, and there was only one winding of copper, and they had hidden 2 little batteries in the shake flashlight. So that kind of told me, well, the plastic is cheap, the lens is cheap, it's the battery and the copper that's expensive. So the Windbelt kind of took that concept to as far as it can go, and instead of using a turbine, in which you have to have a lot of magnets or a lot of gearing up to make the electricity generation efficient, what the Windbelt is basically a tensioned web of material that gets caught up in this aeroelastic flutter vibration when air flows over it. It's a fairly high frequency vibration of about 100 hertz, 100 cycles a second. So you get this efficient electrical generation just using a few small tiny button magnets and copper coils on one side of this vibrating membrane. So you can think of it kind of like a vibrating bow of a musical instrument rather than a spinning airplane wing, which is what a turbine is.
Or I saw Jock reaching for something in his pocket, a ticket. He was going to blow it the way you blow a blade of grass and make a noise.
Yeah,
it's
aeroelastic
flutter.
flutter.
Yeah, it's the same principle.
Well, it's